My dear viewers, now discuss physical and chemical changes based on ICSE class 7. Now discuss the part 4. Part 4 related many types of change with video. Before the discuss part 1, part 2 and part 3. Part 1 discuss summary, part 2 discuss very short question type, part 3 discuss many types of question. To take part 1, part 2, part 3, please show the description box. Okay. Now the change for the natural change. Natural change growth the normal baby to adult. This change also called irreversible change. This change first change, that is burning of paper. It is the first change. It is one type of irreversible change. Melting of ice. This change is irreversible change. This is the one type of physical change. This is irreversible change. It is one type of natural change and also slow motion change. This change is periodic change, season of the this change is season change. This change is non-periodic change. This is the one type of the tornado, one type of the typhoon. It is one type of irreversible change. His cyclone is nicknamed Bulbul, occur in Sundarban and other states. This is exothermic change. that is release the temperature, release the heat. This change also chemical change. Release the heat. Cooking of food. It is the one type of endothermic change. Also chemical change. Endothermic change, that is absorb the heat. Desirable change, that is bombing of power. It is the one type of irreversible change. That is bombing of power. Desirable also irreversible change. Rusting of iron, that is undesirable change. It is the one type of chemical change. Folding of paper, it is the physical change. Chemical change, that is making the bekan, that is the making cake. It is the chemical change.